I can't do this anymore. I'm so tired. This is just too much. My name is Ronnie, and today was the worst day at work. It was a Monday. Of course it was a Monday. I woke up late. My alarm didn't go off. I had a big meeting at 9 a.m. I wasn't ready. I ran to the office. I was sweating. I was nervous. I looked terrible. I felt terrible. Good morning, Ronnie. You're a little late today. Sorry, Lisa. I know. It won't happen again. The meeting starts in 5 minutes. Are you ready? Yes, I'm ready. I was not ready. My manager, Lisa, started the meeting. She talked fast. She showed a lot of numbers. I was trying to write everything down. But I was already falling behind. My hands were shaking a little. I couldn't focus. There was too much information. Okay, Ronnie, can you share your report now? I opened my laptop. My file wasn't there. I looked and looked. Everyone was waiting. I felt my face getting hot. Ronnie, is everything okay? I'm sorry. I can't find my file. Just 1 second. Take your time, but we don't have much time. I felt so stupid. I wanted to disappear. I finally found the file. It was in the wrong folder. I shared my screen. My hands were still shaking. I started talking. My voice was quiet. Too quiet. Can you speak up, Ronnie? We can't hear you well. Sorry. Sorry. Is this better? A little. Please continue. I tried to sound confident, but inside I was falling apart. When the meeting finished, I thought it was over. It wasn't over. Ronnie, can I talk to you for a minute? Sure, Lisa. What's wrong? Your report had some mistakes. Small ones. But mistakes. I know. I'm really sorry. It's okay this time. But please be more careful next time. I understand. Thank you, Lisa. I smiled. I nodded. I walked back to my desk. And then I just sat there.
Hey, Ronnie. Are you hungry? We're going to lunch.
No thanks, Dan. I'm not hungry.
Are you sure? You look a little tired.
I'm fine. Just busy. I wasn't fine. I wasn't busy. I was just trying to hold it in. Everything felt wrong. The report. The meeting. Lisa's words. I know she wasn't mean. She was just being honest. But it still hurt. I went to get some water. I walked past the bathroom. I locked the door. I sat down on the floor. And I just started to cry. Not a little cry. A real cry. The kind where you can't breathe right. It was just too much. All of it. Too much. I sat there for a few minutes. I felt embarrassed. What am I doing on this floor? But I also felt a little better. Just a little. I washed my face. I looked in the mirror. Okay, Ronnie. Come on, you can do this. I took a deep breath. And another one. The meeting is over. The mistake is done. I can't change what happened this morning. But I can keep going. I went back to my desk. Dan was back from lunch.
Hey, I brought you a sandwich. I thought you might be hungry.
Oh, Dan, thank you. I really needed that.
Are you okay? You look a little better now.
I'm okay. It was just a hard morning.
Yeah, Mondays are rough. You did well, though.
I don't think so.
Lisa said your report had good ideas. She told me.
Really?
Yeah. The mistakes were small. The ideas were good. That's what matters, right?
I just looked at the sandwich, and I smiled. A real smile. After work, I called my friend May. Ronnie, how was your day? Honestly, it was really bad. What happened? Everything. I was late. I messed up my report. Lisa talked to me. Oh no. Are you okay? I cried in the bathroom, May. Oh, Ronnie, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Is that normal? Crying at work? Honestly? Yes. It happens to everyone. Even you? Even me. Last year I cried in a stairwell. In a stairwell? For like 10 minutes. I laughed. I actually laughed. You feel better now, right? You let it out. Yeah. I do feel a little better. Good. That's the point. You can't hold it in forever. I know. I know that. I know that now. That night I sat on my bed and thought about the day. It was hard. It really was. But I dealt with it. Not perfectly, but I dealt with it. I cried. And then I got up. And I kept going. I used to think crying at work meant I was weak. Now I think it means I'm human. I was overwhelmed, and that's okay. It doesn't mean I can't do my job. It just means today was too much. And sometimes days are too much, and that's okay. You don't have to be okay all the time. You just have to keep going. And sometimes keeping going means crying in a bathroom. And that's fine. That's human. I was so overwhelmed that day. But I found a way to calm down. I let it out. And then I kept going. I'm not perfect. But I'm still here. And I'm proud of that. So, have you ever had a day like this? A day where everything just felt like too much? Tell me in the comments. You're not alone. And if you're having a hard day right now, it's okay. You can do this. I promise.